Hey guys, hope you're having a lovely day. Let me quickly show you how I just done my nails using Sistaco nail system, if I'm pronouncing correctly. I thought that it's a gel nail polish because you need to cure under light. But now I'm a little bit confused because you have a powder. I never used the powder before. It's like as a nail polish, so I was rather confused. So I got 3 colors, all holographic, super fast to use and super easy, like very easy, foolproof for sure. So this is how I done my nails using the system for a very first time. Took me literally no time. Let me know what you think. So this is how my nails looks just now. Let me know what you think. As I said, super easy to use system. I used it for a very first time. Definitely recommend, and it's vegan, cruelty free, no nasty ingredients and so on, which is amazing I think because it doesn't damage your nails. If you enjoyed watching this video, as always, please don't forget to press the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more. Let me know what you would like to see on my channel, more reviews, more tutorials, chit chat videos. Yeah, and I shall see you soon. So thank you so much for watching and bye. Have a fantastic day guys. Ciao for now.